Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Rakuten Advertising Commission Tracking Troubleshooting, Beginner Guide Step by Step clearly. To start troubleshooting Rakuten Advertising Commission Tracking, log in to your Rakuten Advertising account. Navigate to the Account or Settings section in the main menu. Look for Commission Tracking or a similar option. Check if your tracking ID is correctly set up in your account. If the tracking ID is missing, locate it in the Rakuten dashboard. Copy the tracking ID provided. Next, go to the website where you want to implement tracking. Access the back end of your website or the content management system you are using. Locate the area to input tracking codes or scripts, usually found in the header or footer settings. Paste the tracking ID you copied from Rakuten. Save the changes to your website. Return to the Rakuten Advertising dashboard. Navigate to the Reports section to verify if the tracking is functioning. If you do not see any activity, clear your browser cache and cookies. Revisit your website and perform a test transaction to see if the commission tracking registers. If issues persist, check for any ad blockers or browser extensions that may interfere with tracking scripts. Review Rakuten's troubleshooting guide for any specific solutions related to your platform. If necessary, reach out to Rakuten Advertising Support for further assistance. Take note of any error messages you encounter for a more efficient resolution process. Monitor your reports over the next few days to confirm that commission tracking is active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.